Hi, I'm Jamie McCoy. I'm the Dairy Technical Officer with Farming Connect, and we're here at Gelli Aur, which is one of our Farming Connect innovation sites. And at the moment we've been working on projects which are all silage related, and today we are building mini silage clamps in potato boxes. So Dave, can you explain what we've got in front of us here, please?
What we've done here today is we've done two mini silage clamps. This one is one that's got precision chopped grass in. The other one has got the equivalent, same varieties in the field, same cutting times, etc., but using a forage wagon. And basically we just want to use these as a comparison. It's not highly scientific, but it's pretty close in terms of looking at what the challenges are with both systems, what the differences are between them. And many silage experiments are done in much smaller scale than this. This actually brings it up to a more farmer scale and has the similar challenges as a farm in terms of some of the things that you find in a real clamp.
Okay, and how did you get the silage into this box?
What we've done, we had a pile of grass delivered, approximately a ton. We've layered it in thin layers, thinner than you would in a clamp, because our compactors were provided kindly by Gelli Aur in the form of students. Okay. And that has then been compacted in layers until we've got to a certain level. We've weighed the grass in so we know exactly how much grass is in each of the boxes, and then we can weigh them at the end and look at what the difference is and see what the losses are.
Excellent. So this is basically representative of the clamps here, John. So we've got side sheets. This is cling on top. Is there additive in there?
No, we haven't put additive in either of those two boxes.
Right, okay. And what happens to this now?
It'll have a black sheet to finish off, and then we'll put weight on the top just like we do on the normal clamps.
Excellent. And the next time that we'll see these boxes is going to be at an open day here. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
That's right. It'll be a muck and soil event on the 24th of August, which we're proudly hosting for the Royal Welsh Carmarthenshire Fundraising Committee. There'll be a whole host of things on during the day related to silage, muck, soil, slurry, and grassland management.
Excellent. So everyone can come and see these boxes in the flesh on the Farming Connect stand on the 24th of August.